Have you heard enough already? Everyone only talks about sustainability, but so far it's mostly talk and not much action. Meanwhile, our Earth has reached its limit. The good news is that it's not too late, and the solution is right in front of us. We have to close the cycle so that raw materials can be used again and again. At Green Care Professional, that's exactly what we do. We see waste as a valuable resource. Old bottles can be made into new bottles over and over. On top of that, our formulations are completely biodegradable. And our surfactants are made from plants. We keep all our high-performance cleaning products and packaging in a closed cycle. As the strong, reliable partner at your side, we support you with the big and little challenges in everyday business. With Green Care Professional, you can actively do good for the environment and help shape our circular future. Take matters into your own hands. Join us in the functioning circular economy at greencareprofessional.com.